Unhappy with the sound of your hi-fi speakers? Here's how I improved mine by converting them to use active crossovers. On my PC I installed Equalizer APO, which is a GUI for EQ APO and Music B player. EQ APO splits the low, mid and high frequencies and routes them separately to a 7.1 channel sound card. It also directs audio to an external subwoofer. A 6-channel amplifier sends the sound card output to the tweeter, mid-range and woofer speakers. While it looks like a straightforward process, the devil is in the details. It is important to follow the same wiring convention in EQ APO configurations, sound card connections, amplifier inputs and speaker outputs. You don't want to send woofer sounds to a tweeter by mistake, as it will emit magic smoke instead. The general steps to configure EQ APO using PICE are as follows. Open the effects panel and click on the routing matrix to copy the left and right channels to the various output channels. Close the panel. Select the left speaker. Set frequencies to 3000 and select high-pass Linkwitz-Riley filter with quality 6. The left channel is now configured as a tweeter with 3000 Hz crossover. Select the left rear speaker. Set frequencies to 300 and select high-pass Linkwitz-Riley filter with quality 6. Set frequencies to 3000 and select low-pass Linkwitz-Riley filter with quality 6. The left rear channel is now configured as a mid-range with 300 to 3000 Hz crossovers. Select the center speaker. Set frequencies to 300 and select low-pass Linkwitz-Riley filter with quality 4. The center channel is now configured as a woofer with 300 Hz crossover. Repeat the same steps for the right speaker. Full range signals are routed to left and right side speakers for the external subwoofer. Save profile as stereo active XO. I made a wooden box to hold the 6-channel amplifier. Install 3 volume controls, each a 10K dual log potentiometer. Wire 3 3.5mm sockets to the volume controls and plug the sound card into them with stereo cables. Power supply is a 20V 4.7A HP laptop adapter. Next, unscrew the binding post panel and desolder the crossover PCB. Make a replacement panel with 6 binding posts and wire them to the corresponding 3-way speakers. Label the posts and speaker wires with cable tags. Connect the amplifier output to the binding posts on both speakers. Finally, I recorded a sample of Shack Attack's Nightbirds. Did the music sound good with an active crossover? Have a listen. Yes, I'm afraid it's all about the bass. My comparison was done between a converted and original speaker. Overall, I'd say we have a winner, thanks to open source software, a cheap 6-channel amplifier and some DIY work.